Lesson 21, and today we will be learning some professions. Remember, this is from the list of words and expressions that you have to know according to the new program of the Latvian Language Agency, and they want you to know some professions, and actually added a couple that might be relevant. Es esmu kurjers. Es esmu kurjers. I am a courier. Es esmu kurjers. So you just basically say I am and just name your profession. Kas tu esi pēc profesijas? What is your profession? But actually what we are saying is that what are you by profession? Kas tu esi pēc profesijas? Viņš ir pārdevējs. And let's read the next one as well. Viņa ir pārdevēja. Together. Viņš ir pārdevējs. Viņa ir pārdevēja. So did you notice that viņš pārdevējs and viņa pārdevēja? Yes, exactly. He, she. And then in Latvian we have a difference in the way how we name the profession. So we have the masculine and the feminine ending. Mēs esam ārsti. We are doctors. Kas jūs esat pēc profesijas? We had a similar one, right? Kas tu esi pēc profesijas un kas jūs esat pēc profesijas? So what is your profession, or who are you by profession? And in this case, whom are we addressing? Either a group, exactly, or somebody, one person that we are very politely talking to. So somebody in the formal setting. Here, two, this is one person that we're friends with. Or let's say, in an informal setting, we're saying to somebody. Kas tu esi pēc profesijas? Kas jūs esat pēc profesijas? Viņi ir pavāri. They are cooks. And here, they are cooks means that they are male, or it could be a group of person where at least one is male. Viņi ir pavāri. And note the endings. Viņi, pavāri. And the next. Viņas ir pavāres. Viņas ir pavāres. So, viņas is multiple. Yeah, it's plural female. And pavāres, this is also plural female. So, one female cook would be pavāre. And then when we do the plural, then we say pavāres. Es esmu skolotājs. I'm a teacher. Male or female? Male. If I would be talking about myself and saying I'm a teacher, as a female person, I would say es esmu skolotāja. Good. Es esmu skolotāja. Vai tu esi autovadītājs? Auto, car. Vadītājs is like the conductor or the leader. Vai tu esi autovadītājs? Are you a driver? Vai tu esi, are you, autovadītājs? Viņš ir celtnieks. He's a builder. Celtnieks. Bob the Builder. Viņš ir celtnieks. Viņa ir medmāsa. Viņa ir medmāsa. She is a nurse. Exactly. And note, viņa, medmāsa. Exactly. Viņi ir bezdarbnieki. So in English we say they are unemployed, and we use this form unemployed, which is not a noun, right? In Latvian we have a noun. So bezdarbnieks would be one unemployed person, and then bezdarbnieki, unemployed, plural. Viņi ir bezdarbnieki. Viņas, they, female, exactly. Viņas ir maisaimnieces. They are housekeepers. Viņas ir maisaimnieces. Sorry for being so gender biased, but this is common, yeah. Maisaimnieces among my students. Usually when somebody's saying es esmu maisaimniece, that's a woman. I don't think I have had any male student who would ever say that. So sorry to produce some gender stereotypes, but I'm just trying to give you common phrases. Viņas ir mājsaimnieces.